Save me.
Hello guys, BluZ here, and today I'm going to show you how to remove background noise and make your voice better in Audacity or using Audacity. Now first, what you want to do is you want to open Audacity and then record a sample. Now I messed up there. Now when you start a recording in Audacity, leave a silent sound 3 seconds, 2 seconds or so, then pause. Now what you want to do here is highlight the silence or whatever you want to call this one. Press Effect, Noise Reduction, get Noise Profile, then press Ctrl A, Effects again, Noise Reduction, then copy my settings here, then press OK. As you can see, the noise here is gone. Now if you want to make your voice better, you want to press Effects again, and then want to go to Equalization. Now down here, select Curve to Bass Boost, and then use the 4000 Hz here, press the middle here, and then skip one to the right, press up to the first line over there, then press OK. So that's basically it, guys. Now if you want to remove the background noise again, if it reappears, you can. But yeah, that's it for this tutorial for Audacity. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.